Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we solve question 3 of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper, which is to design a class named student. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 are subscribed and a subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So this is the question that we have to solve, question number 3. And whenever you are solving questions from ICSE boards paper, I always recommend that you read the question from the first letter to the last letter. So take a minute and give this question an entire reading. So you have to create a class student with these data members and these methods, and then in the main method you have to create an object of this class and call methods of this object. Okay, so I am going to start with the class student. The data members are name, age, marks and stream. Declare the variables using appropriate data types. Okay, so you have to choose the data type of each of these data members. So name is obviously a string, and since this is the data member, I make it private string name. Okay, and keeping the name of the variable exactly the same as it is mentioned in the question. Then I have age, private int age. Okay, so int is the most obvious choice for age. You can use long or you can even use double. It does not matter. It just has to be a numerical type. Then the next data member is marks. Now again you can choose it as an int or a double, and if you read the entire question, the stream which is being allocated is based upon the marks. Okay, and these marks are integers. Okay, so you can take them int or double. I take them as int. And the variable name mentioned here is mks, so I'm going to go with mks. Okay, then you have stream, which is going to be a string. Okay, and why string? Because if you read the entire question, the stream to be allocated are these. Okay, 4 of these possible streams, so these are strings. Okay, so my data members are done. Okay, and if you read the entire description of this class, there is no constructor mentioned. So if you write a constructor, you don't write a constructor, you don't lose marks. Okay, we move on to the accept method. So public void accept. Okay, keeping the name of the function exactly the same. Okay, and making this function public. All right, accept name, age, marks using methods of scanner class. Okay, so I have to create a scanner object. Scanners equals new scanner system dot in. Okay, and I will also have to import java dot scanner. Okay, I will make it double n. Okay, accept name. Okay, so I'll first read name. So I'll say system dot out dot print. Okay, enter name. Okay, and this line, this statement is not a part of the requirement because it is not asking you to prompt for a name. It is just asking you to read a name. Okay, but I add this piece of code because when I test this code, I should be able to get a prompt. Okay, then I say name. The name of this data member is scanner dot next line. Okay, then I read age. I use the exact same idea. Okay, enter age. Okay, age is scanner dot next int. Okay, then I read marks. Okay, mks, I'm using integers, so I use scanner dot next int. Okay, and this completes my requirement for the accept method. Next I move on to this allocation method. So I say public void allocation. Okay, name of the method exactly the same. All right, allocate the stream as per the following criteria. If marks is greater than equal to 100, science and computer, greater than equal to 200 and less than 300, commerce and computer, and so on. So we use an if else if ladder in this case. So if marks is greater than equal to 300, okay, oh sorry, we are using mks. Okay, so for marks greater than equal to 300, stream is science and computer, so stream is science and computer. Okay, then if the marks are less than 300 and greater than equal to 200, it is commerce and computer. So we say else if. So else part would be everything less than 300. Then we add an if condition, mks greater than equal to 200. So this becomes less than 300 and greater than equal to 200, which is the second case, which is commerce and computer. So I say commerce and computer. Else if. Now this else part is when marks are less than 200. Okay, and then you add a condition greater than or equal to 75. So I say else if mks greater than or equal to 75. Okay, in this case you get arts and animation as stream. Stream is arts and animation. Okay, the final else part is marks less than 75, which is try again. So I copy, paste, I say try again. Okay, so my allocation method is done as well. All right, the next method is print display student name, age, marks and stream allocated. So I say public void print. Okay, so I do system.out.println. I'll say student details. Okay, so the first part is printing the name, system.out.println name is plus name. Okay, then we have age plus age. Okay, and if you want to print it well, you can say followed by years. Okay, then we have marks. So I'll say marks is mks. All right, and then I say stream. So I say stream is stream. Okay, so my print method is done as well. Call the above methods in the main. So you can choose to write the main method in this very class, or you can write another class like I've written and then write the main method inside. It does not matter. You just have to write a main method somewhere. Static void main string args. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create an object. So I say student. Okay, student. Okay, equal to new student. All right, calling the default constructor because we don't have any constructor defined here. Okay, the first method we called is accept. Okay, to accept details. Okay, then we call allocation to allocate the stream, and finally we call the print method. Okay, and my code for this question 3 is done. All right, so let me compile this. Java C. All right, works. Okay, and I say Java ICSE. Okay, enter name, so I get this prompt. Okay, so I say Balkrishna, age is when I was 16. Okay, oh, I forgot a prompt here, so I'll just simply enter marks. So I'll say I got 340. Okay, marks 340. So let me add a prompt here. Okay, so you see my program is working fine. I get science and computer. Okay, I clear, compile again, run again. I say Balkrishna, I am 16 again. I did not perform that well. Okay, so I get commerce in computer. Okay, I clear, then I enter my brother's name, say maybe he was 17. So he got not too many marks, so he got arts and animation. Okay, then I mention another friend, say Chirag. Okay, enter age is 18, enter marks, he got some like 30 marks. Okay, so he got try again. All right, so my code is working properly, it is supposed to be. All right, so this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. And if you want me to solve this in Hindi, please let me know. I will add a video of this solution in Hindi as well on my Hindi channel, and I will also add the link of the code in the description of this video. You can check it out. And also I will be solving other ICSE 2023 computer applications paper questions. So I will be adding the links of those videos in the description as and when I upload them on the channel. So if you have any doubts or any questions in this program, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. And please let me know if there is any other question you want me to solve, or if there is a concept you want me to discuss. Alright. And if there is something that you did not like about this video, please just don't press the dislike button. Please also let me know in the comments what was it that you did not like about this video, so that I can improve on my further videos. Thank you.